Hello everyone, if you're trying to use internet and your computer keeps getting this error, internet doesn't have a valid IP configuration and your internet is not working, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here CMD and then you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes, and now you're going to put all four of these commands into command prompts. So I'm going to put these commands into the description of the video. First you're going to put this command, and next you're going to put this command, and then this, then the last command is this one. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here network reset, and then you're going to open it up. You're going to click reset now on your network, and once you do that, your computer will restart then. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to open up your web browser and try to browse anything, you'll see that your internet will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.